الله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وأما بعد. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful, peace and blessing of Allah be upon His noble Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, his household, his companions, and those who follow his footsteps till the day of judgment. This paper is going to summarize the development of computer from early generation till date. I'm going to start with the definition of computer. What it is. Computer is an electronic device functioning under the command and instruction stored in its memory that can accept data, process the data, and produce information and store that information for future use. Then any computer that is digitalized carries out 5 main functions. 1. It takes the data as an input. 2. Store the data in its own memory for future use. Then produce the data and reform it into useful information. Then 4. Generate the output. Then the last one is to control all this process. Again, computer has 2 main components. Components of computer are 2. We have computer hardware and computer software. What is hardware? Hardware is the physical segment of a computer that comprises the monitor, keyboard, mouse, computer data, storage, hard drive, disk, system unit, and the rest. All these are physical parts of computer. There are 5 basic hardware components in the computer system, which are input, processing, storage, output, and communication devices. Under this, we are going to see what is input. Input device. These are devices used for entering data or information into the central processing unit, which is CPU, and classified according to the way they use to enter data. Then we are going to see keying device. Under keying device, there is pointing device and central processing unit. Then we are going to see what is software. Software is a generation term for organizing collection of computer data and instruction, often broken into 2 major categories, which is system software that provide the basic task-specific function of the computer, and application software, which is used to accomplish specific tasks. Application software is the general designation of computer programs for performing tasks. The application software may be general purpose or have a specific purpose. An application program is a computer program designed to perform a group of coordinated functions, tasks, or activities for the benefit of the users. Examples of application software include a word processing, spreadsheet, an accounting application, a web browser, a media player, and the rest. Then system software is computer software. They are designed to provide sources to another software. An example of this kind of software is operating system, computer science software, industry, automatic, and software as some sources application. Then we are going to see what is networking. Networking is a practice of transporting and exchanging data between nodes over a shared medium in an information system. Networking consists not only the design, construction, and use to a network, but the management, maintenance, and operation of the network infrastructure. Types of networking. There are two types of computer network. We have one, wired network, and wireless network. Wired network. This requires the use physical medium to transport between nodes. Copper-based Ethernet cabling, popular due to its low cost and durability. It's used for digital communication in business and homes. Then wireless network. This requires the use of data over the air, which will allow the device to connect to a network without the use of any cable. Wireless LAN are the most common, well-known, and widely deployed form of wireless network. Alhamdulillah, I have come to the end of this paper. I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to make us to be among those that people will benefit. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.